Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this series, we are talking about some of the most important extensions for AL language in Visual Studio Code. If you missed the first episode where we talked about AL Object Designer, be sure to check that out before watching this one here. Okay, so here you can find, this is my channel. Here you can find a lot of useful playlists for Business Central. This is for MBA 20 Lab Series. This is AL Coding Carnival. This is all about the projects. You can do it in Business Central. And this is for MB. This is for functional consultants. Okay, you can see here. And this is for interview questions if you are preparing for interviews, and this is for technical consultants. So in this particular playlist you can find the first extension which we have discussed yesterday. So this is episode 2, and today we'll be diving into AZAL developer tool, that is AL code outline. So this is what we are going to talk about. Okay, so this is AZAL dev tools. AZAL Dev Tools, formerly known as AL Code Outline, is one of the most powerful extension available for AL development. Initially, this extension was focused on providing an AL Code Outline panel, but over time, it evolved into a comprehensive suite of tools for AL extension development. It's so much more than just an outline viewer now, and that's why it was renamed to better reflect its functionality. So let's explore some of the key features of this extension that makes it so valuable for AL developers. The first thing you have to do is what you have to go to this extension. So once there are some prerequisites. Okay, so the first thing is what you have to install. First thing you have to install VS Code. Okay, and then you have to install AL coding extension, and then third one is you have to configure AL and Business Central, that is VS Code and Business Central. So once you have done all these things, the fourth one you can do is what you have to download the extension which I have discussed yesterday. Okay, so that is AL Object Designer. So once you have downloaded that, this thing you can use it. Got it? So now if you wanted to understand how to install all these things, like starting from the AL and everything, so you can find this particular playlist. In this playlist I have clearly mentioned like how to configure and install AL, that is your Business Central. Okay, configuring Business Central and AL programming. So here you can find it completely. This is the video which you can use it in if you wanted to understand how to install the symbols and configure the AL coding. So now let's just come back to this. Okay, this is not a standalone extension like as we discussed yesterday. This is like a AL Object Designer. Okay, in order to use this AZAL, you need this Object Designer. So click that Object Designer. Once you click that Object Designer, you can see AZ Wizard. Okay, once if you click this AZ Wizard, so here you can find it is showing some options like table extension, page extension, what you wanted to create. You can just create it. So first one is it provides AL Object Wizards. This will help you quickly create AL objects such as tables, pages, code units. Let's just try to explore that. I'm just clicking on the table. So once if you click on the table, it will give you some options here. What is the object ID you wanted to create it? Okay, you can just give the object ID like how you wanted to go ahead with. Next one is the object name. I'm just giving demo table, and it is also asking you what is the data classification. So these are the table data classification which are available in your thing. Okay, for your table. So how you want to classify the data. So if I can just leave it as system classification. Okay, based on the system it can be classified or to be classified. So you can just go ahead with the options which are available there. And then next comes here you can tell what is the ID. Okay, if you want to start with 10, what we are doing is we are creating the field. Okay, that is a table, and inside that we are creating the field. So I can create the id here and name of that id. Okay, id, and then what is the data type you wanted to go with? It's a code. And what is the length you wanted to go with? It's 10. And what is the data classification? Okay, so to be classified. Likewise, how many fields you wanted to create, you can simply go ahead with. Okay, and I'm just creating code text. See, it is automatically popping up all the things to you. And 3, you can set like what you wanted to create, like how many fields you want. Okay, if you wanted to understand what is table in Business Central, please go ahead and watch this particular video. This will tell you everything about the table. So you can just create a name, whatever you want, you know, like phone number, and phone number should be a number. Okay, so here you can see it shows lot of like lot of data types which you can use it. So either you can start from here integer, and what is that? It's 10, and to be classified, like whatever you want. Like this you can create. If you have nearly 100 fields, you can create it like this. Okay, and next comes you have to set the primary key, because primary key is important. Other than that, secondary key you can just directly go ahead and give it there. I'm just giving primary key as id, and once it is done, you can either go ahead with next, or else if you want to finish it here itself, you can finish it. Now let's just go ahead with finish. Okay, so once I click this finish, you know, the complete table structure is created for me, and you can see that it's showing the demo table and it is to be classified, and these are all the fields which I have created here. Okay, this is the first and foremost key feature of this developer tool. Okay, so it will create like this. You can just go ahead, see, understand one thing very clearly. You have to go to the AL object designer, which I have discussed yesterday. You have to install that, and then you have to click this AZ wizard. You have to install AZ AL wizard as well from the extension, and then you can create any of these things within a simple steps. Okay, so this is what the first and foremost thing. And then this will allows you to browse AL symbols, view their details, and even generate code for them. And AL symbols outline panel and tree view. So here you can see that if you just click on this AZ, so here you can see what are the various things you have. If you go ahead with the table extension, it will ask you which one you wanted to extend. You know, if I simply type customer, it will tell you like what you wanted to extend, and it will generate a code. And you can also quickly refactor and transform your code with a built-in action. And these features help maintain code quality by highlighting issues and duplicates as well. Okay, one of my favorite feature is in the new AL wizard. This is accessible directly from the Explorer context menu itself, allowing you to quickly create and a variety of AL objects such as table, pages. That is what I showed. Another amazing feature is what the simple browser also, it has like you can easily browse the contents. The code generators are also a standout feature. By selecting symbols from the browser, you can run code generators directly, automating repetitive tasks like creating documentation comments or transforming codes, everything. Okay, so here you can see you can just create a documentation code directly from this. Okay, so this is what you can find it. And so whether you are an experienced AL developer or just getting started, AL dev tool, that is a developer tool. AL code outline is an extension that can significantly enhance your productivity. From wizards to code generation and duplicate code search, it has everything you need to streamline your development process. And comment if you are using this particular extension, comment S. If you are not using this extension and you are going to try it today, comment gonna try this. Okay, and if you have any queries related to your certification or your career, you can just schedule a call with me here. I'll be happy to assist you. The link is in the description. And this is an ebook store if you are preparing for the Business Central interview, Power BI interview, Tableau, Azure. So you can find all the interview question answers here. And also there are few checklists which are available for both functional and the technical consultants. You can also find the projects, like complete project right from how to start and how to end, complete coding, that is a complete snippet codes and the documentation available here. If you want, you can get it from this particular screen, this particular link. This is also there in the description. Okay, so thanks for watching. For more Business Central tutorials, explore my playlist, my ebooks, and you can also join my WhatsApp channel for real-time updates. So the channel link is also there in the description. I will also comment it. I'll also pin the comment so you can join the WhatsApp channel. Links are there in the description below, and feel free to visit my website if you are looking for a personal guidance as well. And yes, thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye. I'll meet you soon tomorrow with the next exciting extension. I'm going to discuss with you at least 6 to 7 extensions which will be useful for you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a great day.